India on Monday showcased its growing ambitions in artificial intelligence of the AI Impact Summit 2026 unfolded at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. The summit, being held in the Global South for the first time, is drawing participation from more than 100 countries. Several Indian startups and research-led initiatives, including Sarvam AI and BharatGen from IIT Bombay, are expected to unveil sovereign large language models, underlying India's push for self-reliant AI systems. The gathering is witnessing an unprecedented global presence with 15 to 20 heads of government, over 50 ministers, and more than 40 chief executives from leading technology firms. Among those attending are Sam Altman of OpenAI, Sundar Pichai of Google, Dario Amodei of Anthropic, and Mukesh Ambani of Reliance Industries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to formally inaugurate the two-day summit on February 19th and is also expected to address a high-level CEO roundtable. The AI Impact Summit 2026 builds on previous global efforts to shape AI governance following the AI Action Summit in Paris last year, a preparatory meeting in Seoul in the year 2024, and the inaugural summit at Bletchley Park in the year 2023. Beyond the main program, the Summit Week features over 500 side events and a sprawling trade exhibition with more than 840 exhibitors, including national delegations, research labs, startups, and major technology firms, positioning the AI Impact Summit as one of the largest and most comprehensive global on artificial intelligence to date.